check. Mic check. Yeah. Where we at? Where we at? Where we at with this? Let's see. All right, that look pretty cool. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Look, I'm out here in Huntington Beach. This Newport News, right? Newport News, Huntington Beach, right over there. We out here where the boat tracks at, right here where the boats. Look, the boat ramp that off.
Shit.
James River Bridge right over there. You know, I'm just up here. Actually, you would think we're doing something wild today, but we just waiting on the plumber right now. Waiting on the plumber to come over here to the Airbnb and get some stuff. But while I'm waiting, I might as well film something, check out my mics, and talk to my man right here. Look, he got his bike life joint going on right now, man. Tell him what's going on, man. Come look.
Alright, so let me introduce myself. First off, I'm ASP Steves, president at ASP Council. We is basically trying to bring the bike life of Philly to VA. And what we got going on right now, we are applying weekly ride-out events. Anybody that's down to ride street bikes, preferably dirt bikes and ATVs, we need you to pop out. We already know y'all going crazy over in Norfolk. This is like a call. Everybody get with us, bro.
Yeah, okay.
We got the page booming, all that.
Right, hey, what's the page?
757 the pack. I'll post the link at the bottom.
Okay, 757 the pack.
Yeah.
Well, look, hey, while the sun is going down, man, let me go ahead and take you. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all a little bit of Huntington. You know what I'm saying? Hey man, it's kind of cool living in Virginia. You know, we can stop by the beach sometimes and just chill out. It's nighttime. It's peaceful out here. Anyway, hey look, you don't even know I got the new. I brought the new book out called The Visionary Kid. You know, did you know that? The cameraman said no. Anyway, look. Matter of fact, I appreciate everybody who bought the book already, and I actually got a comment from somebody that said it really inspired them and to write their own ebook about their properties and things they got going on. I think that's pretty cool, man. So, you might, ChatGPT, man, it's helping a lot of people. It's doing a lot. AI is going crazy. Look, the plumber ain't called me yet. It's getting dark. He said he's supposed to be there in like an hour. How long have we been out here?
3.
You don't even know. I know we've been out here longer than an hour. See, this what. Sometimes I just tell you, I don't know what to say about people that do work sometimes. But hopefully he'll get there and solve the problem. We out, man. Guess we be out. Huntington. You see, it's kind of dead right now because there's not that many people here, but I guess this is a good time to be here, man. It ain't too crowded and it ain't burning up.